Hi, I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl, here at Hungryland with yet another delicious and healthy recipe. Today, I am making everything bagel dip. This recipe has 4 ingredients. Check this out. 4 tiny, itty bitty ingredients. This is Greek yogurt that has no fat at all. This is a reduced fat cream cheese. Here's some Dijon mustard. And the 4th and MVP ingredient today is everything bagel seasoning. Everything bagel seasoning is pretty much my life right now. And if you're a Hungry Girl fan, you know there's a lot of recipes on the website and in our world that use everything bagel seasoning. Today, making a dip. This dip has 1 point. That's right, 1 smart point. It has 45 calories for 2 tablespoons, and it is absolutely yummy with veggies and other things. So here is how you make it. Start with that cream cheese. It's a 1/4 cup in a bowl. It's room temp. Then we're gonna add a cup of yogurt. This is Greek yogurt loaded with protein, and it has no fat at all. Today we're using Fage, also known as phage to people who don't know how to pronounce it. And next we have our Dijon mustard, only 1.5 teaspoons of that. Throw that into the bowl. And the most important ingredient of all, the everything bagel seasoning, 1.5 tablespoons. Get in there, baby. Okay, and now you just mix it all together. Oh, it smells just like a bagel. So everything bagel seasoning is so flavorful, and it makes this dip so tasty. And it is so good with veggies. I sometimes even put it on some scrambled eggs. The Dijon gives it a nice little tang too. Okay, gonna try it. What should I try it with? A carrot? Carrot. Mmm. Creamy, tangy, flavorful, 45 calories. That is a home run, people. Great for parties, great for your family, great just to keep in the fridge. All thanks to everything bagel seasoning. Get a close-up of that. Okay, there you have it. Everything bagel dip. You should make this today, not tomorrow, today. Run out and get all the ingredients, make it. If you want to get the recipe officially, you can go to hungry-girl.com/bageldip. That's hungry-girl.com/bageldip. And while you're on the site, sign up for the daily emails because they rock and you don't want to miss out. I'm Lisa Lillian, also known as Hungry Girl. Till next time, chew the right thing.